Hey guys, we're going to have a look at something that seems pretty obvious at first. It's how to hold the guitar. So, look, this is a way that you've probably picked up the guitar. You feel like, oh, that fits perfectly over my leg here, can reach everything, I can play. Now, that's fine, and I'd use it for these lessons, but I'm going to tell you, far better off changing your position around so that you put this bit between your legs. All right? Now, the other thing is you can put your left leg, if you're playing this with your right-handed strumming, up on something. I've just used a little edge of a stool here, and that gives me this part sitting at a really nice height. Now you can actually get perfect sort of seat heights, everything, so that you're in the perfect position. Now I've just found that is not realistic. I'll be pulling out a guitar sitting on a beach. You know, there's no space for that. You've got to be adaptable, but this is the right way to go. And you can see I've got a really good coverage of my fretboard, and the one thing you really notice is your wrist has a lot less pressure on it. It's much easier to do everything. So if you're really struggling with stuff, especially some of the faster scales or some of the harder chords, change your stance. Change this around, okay? And you'll find all of a sudden things become really easy. All right. Now, one other thing to note, on the back of the guitar, what you should be doing is squeezing between your finger and your thumb. All right, don't do this. It's actually really bad. I did it for years and it ended up getting muscle strain, so try and avoid it. Don't do your chords with that sideways thumb action. All right. Keep them nice and pinched, so that thumb going in the middle of that back of the neck there. Now, once you've got that, you're in a really good spot and you can play really well. Leave that one there. See you next time.